Well, it's a little calmer now than it has been for about the last 8 to 10 weeks. And the reason for that is that we've recently actually broken a little record for us, because in the course of this week we have installed and dismantled 29 individual exhibition stands for 29 different customers across 2 exhibitions. Both happened to be at the NEC in Birmingham. There was the Food X show and there was the Fire and Safety event. The build-up to that has been quite intense and has involved a huge amount of planning. And what's been great to see is our team of project managers, who all work on their individual exhibition stands projects with customers, have also worked together as a team to create a planning and logistics strategy to deliver all of these 29 stands. And it's basically taken the form of a spreadsheet, which would be enough to give Albert Einstein a headache if you look at the spreadsheet. The amount of planning and detail that's gone into the execution of these installations has been enormous. You see, the interesting thing is that in April this month we will install and dismantle 43 individual exhibition stand projects. In itself, that is not exceptional. We commonly install and dismantle 35 to 40 to 45, sometimes even 50 individual exhibition stand projects. What's been exceptional about this month is that 29 of those 43 were installed in a period of 4 days using 23 individual installers and 15 vehicles. Their successful installation was achieved between 8 and 10 weeks ago, because that's when the planning started. And the planning led to success. And we executed those installations like a military operation over 4 days, and we nailed it. I'm really pleased to be able to say we nailed it. But the other thing is that it was never in doubt, because I could see the level and detail that had gone into the planning by the PM team, by Stuart, the ops manager, and by the very many hours that were put in downstairs, pre-building every single one of those stands in every last detail before any of them were loaded into a van and went up to the NEC. The order book's filling up for September and October now, and I'm quite serious about that. We are already looking at planning, the very early stages of planning for September shows. That's typically another very busy month, and particularly this year, because it's the year where the exhibition DSEI takes place at Excel, which is the huge sort of global defence exhibition, which we're always very active at. We have lots of customers and stand projects there. And I think I was talking to the guys yesterday, and I believe we already have 10 confirmed projects at that show. And we're talking to prospective new customers, obviously talking to returning customers who are not quite there yet, ready to sign off on their projects. So September is going to be very busy. So we're looking forward to a positive summer and end to the year. So everyone's calming now, everyone's taking a breath and recharging, and then we'll be ready to go again in the next couple of weeks.